The question will be coming from Sean.
Hi Alexa, what message do you want to share with others through your outfit? Again, what message do you want to share with others through your outfit?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Today, I'm wearing an outfit that is inspired by the national Costa Rica costume, made of plastic wraps, old cloth, and rice sack flowers that can naturally be recycled. And it reminds us that creativity can make nature bloom again. And it is a symbol of how trash can blossom into beauty. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Shani, one more time. Shani,